Hi, welcome to Gadget UK. This is an Acer E571. I will show you how to change your normal 2.5-inch SATA to an SSD. Turn the laptop over, remove the battery, and then slowly take all the screws out. There are lots of screws, so it might take a bit of time. Be gentle, otherwise you might ruin the screw head. Once you have taken the screws out, you'll need to pry open the laptop. So get a praying tool and gently start from one corner like I am doing. It could be anything. I couldn't find my tool, so I found a 20p coin. So I have started praying open with the 20p coin. Works fine for me, but if you need a professional tool, a prying tool, you can. They go on eBay between £1 to about, depending how expensive you want to buy. I think £1 to £2 ones. They are good. But you have to be careful when you're praying. So if you pray too hard, you might damage the cables. As you can see, there are 3 cables just under the palm rest. So those 3 cables need to be taken out gently. So the first one I'm showing with my finger is the mouse pad clip ribbon cable. So that needs to be taken out. Well, that one is actually for the hard drive. This one here is for the touchpad. So this lever, gently push it up and then you pull the cable. So gently lift it. Gentle lift. Doesn't have to be really hard, but if you're not sure, just be gentle, and all it needs is a gentle lifting upwards. Gently lift upwards and it will open. Yep, that's it. Gently lift and pull. There's a second cable there that needs to be taken out as well. So gently lift the latch. You just gently push it up and then you push back the cable. Be gentle, take your time. Always, I would advise, always take your time when you're taking the cables out, because if you damage it, then you might damage the cable, and it's a long process of getting it working again. You might need to change the cable again, or you might damage the motherboard. So just be careful. All you need to do, gently push the plastic latch up and then push back the cable. That's it. And the third cable being the keyboard cable. So that's being held by 2 small pieces of plastic that needs to be released. So you just need to push it back. You just push it. If you have a long nail, I have long nails, so you just gentle push. It doesn't have to be hard. Gentle push. You just gently push it back, and then you push back the cable, and to upgrade the hard drive, just take this is where the hard drive is. It's a small plastic latch. Just push it over. It just opens, and just pull it, and this will come off. Just pull it slowly, gently, not too hard. And there is 2 screws here. You need to take those screws off. Gently push like that, and it slides open. Just gently pull it up like that. The hard drive is held by 2 screws. Sometimes there can be 4, depending on which laptop it is. So on this one, this particular model, it has 2 screws. One there and one there. So we'll take these 2 out. One screw there and one screw there if you want to upgrade. But some models, the caddy will have two screws. You'll have one here, one there, and one screw there, one screw there, held by four screw. But this particular model has caddy has two screw on the hard drive. Hard drives there also have four screws to screw on. But if your caddy has two screw, one at the one on each corners, that should help hold it securely anyway. But for this laptop, there is no issue with the hard drive, so I'll put the original hard drive back in. Once the hard drive is fitted in the caddy, first you slot it in like so, and then you just push it back into its slot. Then you can put the screws back in. There are two screws only, so just screw those back in. Then this goes back in there. Just gently push it in, and then you push the latch down slowly. When you put the keyboard back in, so the three cable that needs to put back onto the motherboard, they just slide in gently into its place. Push it in. Slowly push it in and push the lever down, the plastic clips. And this is the keyboard cable. Just gently push it in. Ish re, fagol hurutain re. Last cable that goes into its slot. Gently push it in, and the small lever, just push it down. And just gently push it down, and you'll hear a small clicking noise. That's it. Put the lid down, turn the laptop over, and you put the screws back in. turn the laptop over and power it up. Thank you for watching the video. If you like the video, please share, subscribe, and hit the bell button. Thank you very much for watching.